guys, welcome to All Things AR, and today I will be talking about my favorite design tool, Figma. I started using Figma about a year and 1 month ago, I'd like to say, and I've just loved it. I do so many things in Figma. I create YouTube video thumbnails, I design websites, and recently I've started animating in Figma with their new smart animate feature. So many things I can do in Figma. I will be talking about these and what I like about Figma in this video. But before we get started, I would like to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. I'm trying to get to 80 subscribers as soon as possible, and hitting that red button really helps grow and support the channel. Also, leave a comment down below if you also use Figma, or leave a comment saying what you like about Figma. Now let's get started. Before we get started, I'm going to talk about what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to talk about what I like about the layout. I like Figma because it's easy to understand, and how Figma's got tools for everything you might need. First, I'm going to talk about layout. Now first, in Figma, everything can be seen really nicely on desktop and even online versus the desktop app. There's not much of a difference because even online, Figma has made their UI and just their layout really user-friendly, and I love that. So the color scheme that they use is very simple. It's just black, gray, and white with a few little colors, and that's just so simple, but that just makes it look very professional and sophisticated. All the tools are in the top left corner, and if you've used Figma before, you already know that. And the icons that they use are just amazing, and I really like them as well. Now let's move on to why I think Figma is really easy to understand. Now last but not least, number 3, tools for everything. Figma has tools for everything you might need while designing websites, UI, or even YouTube thumbnails. They don't have that many tools, but they have just enough, the amount and they have all the tools that you might need. You can tell that they've put a lot of thought into what tools they have and what tools they shouldn't have. So whenever you're designing something in Figma, I think that the tools that they have, you never feel like, oh, I'm missing this tool. I really wanted this tool. You never feel like that while designing websites or designing UI. Yeah, so I really like that about Figma. Then I use Figma for a lot of things, and the tools that Figma has, basically, I think they have tools for each and everything that I use it for. I use it for YouTube thumbnails. I use it to design UI. I use it to design websites, and I use it for a few other things. But for example, if you watch my video on Eat Log Go, the web app, I'll link it above in the cards. I actually designed the UI of that link of that app in Figma, so I could use Figma for that. And then the UI turned out really nice. So yeah, that's about it for tools for everything. Thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, remember to like this video, and smash that red button down below, the red subscription button. I'm trying to get to 80 subscribers as soon as possible, and hitting that red button really helps grow and support the channel. Once again, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.